Well, I know that you still clean your gun, and I know you've been sipping on a bottle for months. And I hope to God you never fake that pain. I hope it was real and as cold as the rain. You can smoke and drink and become a fiend, but it won't